Hello everyone, welcome to the investing education channel. So the purpose of this channel actually is just to share the investments I make. So basically I read quite a bit and I make investments based on what I read, and I basically invest for the long term for many years and decades to come basically. And I mean, this is a very important source of income for me, so take my investing decisions very seriously. And I mean, since I am doing all this for myself, the idea really is to share some of the stuff that I do with whoever is interested. So with that, what you see on the screen actually is my child shop account. So as you can see, there's a total account value, and these are in US dollars. Is total account value of 117,736.42 cents. There's some cash, 2,700 plus, and then you can see the stocks. It's mainly a stock account, so basically you see most of the money there is actually in stocks. So I mean, you can see the market value of the stocks is 114,987 plus, and then you see some other information. Then you see the gain and loss as well. So I mean, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to start this from January 1st 2019, and then I'm going to monitor how this account does every year. I intend to provide updates on a weekly basis, and I also intend to talk about other things, of course, related to investing, that come to mind, or that attract my attention, and basically I wish to share with you guys. So I mean, let's look at what I already hold in my account. So as you can see, one of my top positions is Amazon. You can see also Facebook. You can see Google, Booking, Visa, Alibaba, Google. Google is a different class here, but it doesn't really matter. Mastercard, Intuitive Surgical, Nike, Costco, Apple, Expedia, Comcast, Tower, FedEx, Walt Disney, and so on, right? Okay, so what I really want you to focus on actually is that the stocks that I buy. There are some core positions, and there are some stocks that I just buy because I feel there was a great opportunity to buy, but I may not necessarily hold those stocks for a long time. So for those kind of stocks, I'm actually acting as a bit of a trader. Now I don't recommend that because nobody can really time the market, but if I do find a very compelling opportunity, sometimes I would just invest in that. So for example, you can see FedEx, right? FedEx fell about 40% recently. So I decided to nibble at it a little. And so on. You can see that I made some small investments in Walt Disney, S&P Global, even JD, right? So basically, there will be core positions, and there will be some other positions that are maybe cash substitutes, even if I feel those are better than cash, or they're just trading options, and I feel they offer a compelling opportunity at that time, but I don't intend to hold. So I think the real focus for you guys are really to look at the core positions. So probably my top 10 will be my core positions. There's some stocks that I do intend to buy a bit more. They're not in my core position yet, but I intend to actually make them reach a core position status. It's just that I haven't bought enough of them yet. So you can, if you go down, for example, you see Boeing. Boeing is, I only bought 981 dollars worth of Boeing stock, and I intend to buy more. So I'm just waiting for a good price, a market downturn or something like that, and then I'll keep buying more of these kind of stocks. I actually want to make into my core position. Another one is Intuitive Surgical. I only have about 2,800 plus of it, and I want to build it up, and a few more other stocks, right? So that's a brief summary for now. I hope you join me in this journey, and we discover some of the investing tidbits and wisdom out there and we make good investing decisions for yourself, for myself, for everyone. So thank you for listening, and I hope to speak to you soon again.